Spring and summer trends are landing fast, but do you really need to follow all of them in order to feel stylish and up to date in what you wear? I'm Tony Carver from TLC Style and Colour, and I am a colour analysis and a style consultant. So let's talk about how you can make this season's looks actually work for you, your colour, your style, your shape, and your personality. If you're looking to wear this season's trends without feeling like an imposter or that you're wearing somebody else's clothes, then you're in the right place. It's so easy to get swept up in the latest trends, what's in fashion and what isn't. But the truth is, not every trend is going to be worth jumping on board with, because not every trend is going to suit you and feel like you at the end of the day. You don't need to buy a whole new wardrobe to actually look and feel stylish in what you wear. Now, you've probably heard me raving on about what suits you and wearing the right colours, because colour is a visual statement. It's a visual interpretation, because when you get the right colours for you, your features will be naturally lighter and brighter. Your skin will look smoother, your eyes will sparkle, it will light up your face, and you'll look and feel amazing, because that is the power of wearing the right colours. And colour is just one aspect of your overall image. You might look like a vision in mocha mousse, which is a light brown shade, but if it doesn't feel like you inside, you'll never wear it. And that's because your style personality is the key aspect to your overall image. It's the reason why some things just don't work for you. It's a reason why you put things together and they just don't make any sense. It's a reason why buying all the latest trends when they're not really your style means you won't wear them. Whether it is in the right colour, if it's not the right style for you, it'll just stay in your wardrobe unworn and unloved. Because understanding why some of the new trends work for you and feel like a natural fit is all down to your style personality. Your style impacts how you interpret the trends and therefore wear them successfully. Now, this season, I've put together 9 key trends for spring, summer. And here's the catch, you don't need to wear them all. And also, they won't all suit you, and that's okay. I easily identify 2 or 3 that I wouldn't really be entertaining because they're just not me, and that's okay. Think of the trends as an inspiration, that you can bring them to life through your accessories or your clothes. It's understanding how you can style something, perhaps that you've already got, to make it your own. If you've already had a colour analysis session, whether that be through me or through somebody else, think about how you can filter those trending shades through your palette as well. There's loads of pink, there's loads of green, but what's your pink? What's your green? Which ones suit you? There are 7 key colours in my guides for each of the different dominant colouring types, helping you to filter down so that you can simply fill the colour gaps that you've been able to identify in your wardrobe. Because this is the thing, it's about identifying what you need and what you've got and where your gaps are, and then filling those gaps, not just shopping willy-nilly, having a plan and having a structure so that you can make an informed decision about what you wear and ultimately what suits you. So if you're not sure about what colours suit you, you're not sure how to dress for your style or your shape, then think about booking a colour analysis consultation or a style and shape consultation with me. I'm based in Wakefield in West Yorkshire. You can also check out my new spring-summer seasonal update guides, which are on my website as well. So I'll pop the links below if you want to check out the details. Thanks for watching this little video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on dressing with confidence. And I'll see you next time.